Hi, I'm Lou and we're going to install these LED whips on a Polaris RZR. These come from Kemimoto and the kit includes 2 whips, instructions, electronics, a remote, flags, and mounting hardware, and you get these mounting brackets separately. We'll start by installing these whip mounts on both sides, and we'll have to move these forward a little bit to get them back here. These mounts are adjustable and there's no rule that says you have to put them there. Some people put them up here, but I've got the roof in the way, and some people put them back here. There's that installed, and I took the quick connector off the bottom of the whip, and that's going to get bolted in right there. That gets tightened down with a 3/4 inch open end or a crescent wrench. Pull back like this and the whip goes on right there. Controller is super easy to hook up. You put your black and red wires to the power wires on your battery, and then these 2 to the right and left whips. Power on, red, green, blue. This is too easy. I won't show them all, but there must be 100 different modes in here. Stuff like this, and this. It's also controllable with an app. You just point your phone camera at this, which takes you through the store into the app. You can change the color with this wheel, and it's a lot easier to select the lighting mode in the app. There's also an option to get the lights to dance to the music on your phone. You can hook the green and yellow wires to turn signals and the white wire to a brake, which I'll do in my next video when I install this turn signal kit. These quick connects are really nice. If you ever want to take off your whips, just pull them off. And you won't even realize those little black mounts are even there. To mount the flag at the top of the whip, put one anchor at the very top and the other one 10 inches down. Clip the carabiners under the screws and tighten them down. And clip on your flag. I'll put a link to my other RZR videos in the corner of the screen and a link to the products in the description below. Thanks for watching.